Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode 220 and a half of the Veterinary Marketing Podcast. Hope you're having a wonderful day. In today's episode, we're going to talk about a quick distinction that you can use in your marketing that I hope is going to really help you. And it's something I've been thinking a lot about lately. And it's just generally a principle of marketing that is really, really important and often overlooked, in my opinion. So I think it's going to be helpful for you. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe in iTunes, Google Play, Spotify, wherever you get your podcast from. And before we begin, I just want to mention one quick thing, that this episode is being sponsored by two websites by Brad Haven. We have usedvetequipment.com and newvetequipment.com. For over 8 years now, usedvetequipment.com has been helping vets buy and sell used equipment. You can save money when you buy used veterinary equipment, everything from cages, kennels, pumps, x-ray equipment, lasers, ultrasound equipment, dental equipment, surgery equipment, lab equipment from Abaxis, IDEX, and Heska, tables, tubs, and sinks. If you have something that you're looking to sell, head on over to usedvetequipment.com, where we bring the buyer and seller together. And if you're looking for new veterinary equipment with amazing warranties, check out newvetequipment.com, where they show you the price up front on everything from digital x-ray equipment, dental x-ray equipment, ultrasound equipment, LED surgery lighting, surgery tables, full-size autoclaves. When you go to newvetequipment.com, you'll clearly see the price on every item for sale, and you'll also be able to check out the warranties that you can buy without regret. At New Vet Equipment, we show you the price and give you a great warranty. All right, so let's get into today's episode. This is something that I think is often overlooked, but it's really, really important. And the question that this goes all around is, what makes you different? Because different is really, really important. Your brain and humans' brains have evolved, generally speaking, to see the thing that is different. And it makes it stick out in your mind. You have to think about that. I mean, when you look at, for example, like a pattern or something, and you see that one of, like, let's say you're in a bathroom and one of the tiles is just a little bit crooked and it's a little bit out of place, that takes your attention, and it gets your attention because your mind is kind of set up so that it puts everything in categories, right? And you don't notice things that are similar, generally speaking. You notice things that are different because you're taking in too much information all the time. So when it comes to marketing your practice and marketing your services, you have to really think about what makes you different. And being different is one of the most important distinctions that you can have in your marketing. So what is it that makes you different? And, not the generic stuff like, oh, we care more about pets, or, we treat our pets like family. That everybody says that. So what actually makes you different? Are you a cat-only clinic? And, what's the story about that? Do you have cat-only hours that you do? Do you offer, special treats that come with every single visit? What actually makes you different and what makes you unique? So that when somebody sees it, especially your ideal client, that it will look so different that they pop out and say, wow, this is really different. This is odd. Not in a bad way, but just different. It makes it stand out and gives you attention. So when you're thinking about your marketing, always be thinking about different, because that is what is going to catch your attention and highlight the differences that you have that are your strengths for sure. So just a quick thought there. Whenever you're doing marketing, really highlight that. And I think you'll see that you'll be a lot more successful. All right. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Again, if you have any questions, comments, need help with anything, be sure to head on over to the Veterinary Marketing Nerds Facebook group. And we'll see you on the next episode. Have a good day, everybody.